Hi, let's talk about the different number types in this lecture. Basically, numbers are of two types, real and complex. Real numbers are all those numbers which are meaningfully depicting, real physical quantities. On the other hand, complex numbers are, imaginary numbers which are of somewhat of the form like this, where A and B are real numbers, whereas I is the square root of -1, and this becomes an imaginary number. Thereby, this is a complete different ball game. We will not be getting into deep here. We'll be talking more about the real numbers. So, real numbers that represent meaningful physical quantities are divided into many types. For example, they can be rational or irrational. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be represented in the form of a by b, where b is not equal to 0 and a is a integer. I'll tell you about a and b being integers. We'll talk about that, but basically speaking, rational numbers can be represented in the form of a by b with these properties. Irrational numbers cannot be represented in the form of a by b. Okay. So we normally go on to say that all those numbers which are not rational are irrational. This is one of the definitions of irrational numbers. Examples include everything pretty much like 1, 2 by 3, 68, minus 32, minus 118 by 4, and so on. Irrational numbers are something like 5 or square root of 2, okay, and so on. There are other number types. Like, let's talk about integers. Integers are all of these numbers. This is the set integers. What it means is integers are minus infinity to something like this, including 0, then 1, 2, 3 till positive infinity. These are integers. Then you have whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is somewhat like this. It includes all the positive integers as well as 0. Then you have natural numbers. Natural numbers are all positive integers. The set n is all positive integers. Now, there are prime numbers and there are composite numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. These two factors are 1 and the number itself. For example, when you see 5, okay, there is no other number, okay, which when multiplied by another natural number, there is no natural number which when multiplied by another natural number will give you 5, except 1 and 5 only. Thus, 5 is a prime number. There are other prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. is the only even prime. Okay. Then there are composite numbers. Composite numbers are all those numbers which are not prime. Thus, they have more than one. They have greater than 2 factors. For example, 4, 6, 9, and so on. 1 is a special number because it is neither prime nor composite. Then there are even and odd numbers. Even numbers are all numbers which are divisible by 2. Odd numbers are all integers, okay, which are not divisible by 2. These are all integers that we are talking of here. So it means that 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on are all even numbers, and similarly -2, -4, and so on are all even numbers, including 0. Nowadays it has been established and everyone pretty much agrees that the parity of 0 establishes that 0 is an even number. And all odd numbers are those which are not divisible by 2, all integers. So basically you have -5, -3, coming from -infinity and so on, -1, 1, 3, 5, till infinity and so on. So these are basically the different types of numbers. See you in the next lecture. Best of luck.